wasn't supposed to end, but for some reason it ended, so I restarted it. Sorry about that. I don't know why the stream ended. We back? We back? I think we're back. Okay. Yeah, I've never streamed on my phone before, and just for some reason it just stopped. But no, we're not done yet. I got to get 3 more LEDs, and then I will stop the stream for a few minutes to go back to my computer with this and plug it in and actually test it out. I also forgot to plug in my phone, so it didn't run out of power, but it did go down to like 27%. I don't know why we lost the stream ended though. Okay, ready to do this one. Okay, here we go. I'm holding my breath as I do this. Oh, that didn't work. I think I have to hold the soldering iron down to the pad for longer because it's not getting hot enough to attract the solder. Okay, so I'm holding on the pad. Then I'm applying more. There it goes. It's stuck, but I accidentally moved the LED. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, there's a little bit that came off. That's fine. Excess solder is okay there. Turn it around. We're going to do this side. Okay. There, it's stuck that time. Cool, that one was good. All right, I'm on a roll. Let's keep going. That one was perfect. Turn it around. I got one more to do. Wi-Fi hiccup probably. Yeah, maybe. Hopefully I'm using Wi-Fi and not cellular. I'll know when my cellular company says you are almost out of data already, and I'll be like, what? Okay, there it's stuck. Nice ball, nice solder ball there. Okay, so I got 2 more, and then we'll go test. So right there-ish. Where's my camera pointing? Yeah, right there. And then right there. Okay, hold on a second. All right, take a drink. Take out another LED. Here we go. From the tape, another LED emerges. All right, find the ground pin. There it is, I think. Line it up with the silk screen. All right. So the way this is actually done professionally is not by hand. They actually have machines that just kind of plop them down and then they'll like flow heat over it and it just melts into place and it's really nice and clean. A lot easier than doing it by hand, but I don't have such a machine and I didn't really feel like paying for it because when I can do this myself. Right now it seems difficult, but in the end I'll be like, whoa, that was pretty cool, I did all that. Okay, here we go. Really carefully, there we go. I got a nice solder ball there. Oh, and it's not sticking to the pad for some reason. Pad's not hot. Okay, it was definitely hot because I felt the heat through my thumb there. Okay, I got the camera lined up. You guys can see that? That's good. Just checking. So let's do the opposite corner. So kind of just like same as in mechanical stuff. You kind of want to do like opposite corner. Like one corner, then do the opposite corner. I feel like I need more there. But there's a little ball in here, so cut that ball off. Oh, perfect. I had some on the tip of the iron. So I just want to heat that, just melt it all in there. How come it's not melting now? Did I knock this? I'll just turn up the heat a little bit more. Let's go to 370 instead of 360. More heat. Get molten. Please, get molten. There you go. Nice and molten. Great. All right. Optimally, when you solder, you want to see it like flow. You want to see it flow into the crevices. If it doesn't flow into the crevices, then it kind of sticks as a ball on the outside and doesn't have as much connectivity, and it'll fall off and break easier. It's just not good. Okay, there. I got a ball, but I really want it to flow, so I'm just gonna let it apply. Let the heat sit there for a little bit. Okay, that's good. 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 All right, one more. I'm on a roll. All these diodes, so many things that could go wrong. The diodes were really easy to do. I saved the hardest for last. Well, that's not true. The USB-C connector was really hard. Terribly hard. I hated it. I don't want to ever do it again if I can avoid it. These LEDs are pretty hard. The diodes were easy. The easiest are these sockets. They're ridiculously easy. You just put some solder on the pad, put the socket in there, press the tip of the soldering iron down until it melts, and it kind of just falls in place. I think that's the ground lead. Yeah, because all the LEDs are oriented the same now. That's good. It's good to see consistent orientation. Final countdown, yes. Then I'll probably chat for a few moments, and then switch over to the computer. So if the stream goes down, don't worry, it's probably me switching back to the computer. And I'll just bring this stuff back in and hook it back up there. All right, you guys can see this last one, right? Cool. I already have some solder on the tip here. Maybe it's enough to stick one of these corners. The ground one is my preferred corner there. Not really. Some there, but there's not a whole, yeah, it's not enough. Okay, more. I must have more solder. Okay, there's a good amount there. Oh yeah. Ow, 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 that hurt. Yes, burning oneself, not recommended. Let's do this without burning my finger, okay? It's gonna be tricky because there's a big mountain of solder on there now. But if I like hold it like that and melt it underneath, that'll probably work. It's like it's fighting me. It's like turning. Careful. Nope. Gotta line it up and not burn myself at the same time. I might have to remove this solder first to try again. Well, what if I put it like right up again and I move it, I shuffle it in place? I don't know how I'm going to do that without burning my finger though. Maybe I'll just remove it. Okay, flux. And copper braid. Find a nice clean part of the copper braid and just kind of sizzle it off. Here we go. Just suck it right into that copper. Go ahead, do it. There it goes. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay. Okay, I removed quite a bit of the solder off of that. So let's try again. All right. Whew. Thoroughly impressed with how you're not evaporating your fingers. Yeah, it would be bad if I did that live on stream, wouldn't it? Had to use reversed pliers to keep the surface component steady and precisely at the right place before dreaming about soldering. Yeah, and never your fingers closer than 1 inch to the components, especially the solder. Yeah. Well, I'm trying not to touch it. I'm trying to like just get if I can get a solder ball there, it kind of sticks it, and then I don't have to touch it. I already moved it. Do that without moving it. It's really hard. There we go. Oh, it actually stuck. Great. Sticking is good. Okay, let's do the other corner before it decides to unstick. Flow in there, yes. Okay, and then the one next to it. Okay, it's not sticking yet. Stick and flow. Stick and flow. That's good enough. All right, one more corner. Woo, it's hot. I think I got it though. All right. Woo. Celebration time. Well, the true test is going to be take this to the other room, plug it in, see if the lights come on when I press caps lock. All right. And I successfully did it without rotating any of them. Okay. I can turn the heat down on this. Hey there, Meme Clear Bams. First time I've ever attempted this doing soldering on stream. I hope it went well. Well, let's actually just screw it back into place. Then we'll take it into the other room, plug it into the computer. Actually, before I have to remember, before I actually plug it into the computer, I have to make sure that I didn't accidentally connect ground to power, because that would be real bad. So I need to reattach everything. Oh, before I do that, I guess I can show off what these things are. So this is all 3D printed, and then these little nickel inserts are threaded, and I put a little super glue in there to make it stick. So the board, the only reason this plate is still is attached to this board is some of these switches are holding it in place, but really the screw goes through all the way through there and attaches to the nickel insert on the other side, if I have it lined up right. So like that, without blocking the camera view. Like that. And then this side. Yeah, I think I'm done soldering for tonight. There's only so much I can tolerate before like I get kind of worn out. But you know, come do some more tomorrow or the next day till I got all 36 keys lighting up. So this one has no key LEDs installed, but it has all 4 underglows. Okay, where did I put the thumbs? I told myself I would put them in a different spot. Did I? Yes. Over here. And this one. Why did I put this one with the thumbs? I don't know. It's not a thumb though. I guess because it's close by. So yeah, these switches are like pretty easy to insert. I don't want to put a whole lot of force. If I put too much, that one goes here. If I put too much force, I can bend the pins. But as long as they're like aligned, they go right in with hardly any force. That's actually why you have to have this plate that keeps them from moving back and forth, because there's not a whole lot of force gripping the them, and they're only being held in there by 2 copper pins. So it's, when you think about it, it's actually quite fragile. Okay, I'm missing one of these with a dot on it. Here it is. That's like a home row key. I used like hot glue to deposit a little glue on the ends of the home row keys. There we go. They just pop right in when all is lined up right. And the last one, here goes. Duh. The last one is always a problem. Okay, there we go. We're all done. Hey there, Endurn. You missed all the soldering today, Endurn. You missed the soldering. Sorry about that. I did wait until after 10 o'clock my time so that to give you maximum chance to be here on time. But I'll probably do this again. This is really a test run to see how things are going. So, we soldered all 7 of the other underglow LEDs, and I got, before I ran out of patience, I got 4 of the other keys wired up with LEDs. So yeah, I'm going to end the stream for just a few minutes because I need to take this out of here and go over to my computer and start the stream there. So don't go away. I will be transferring the stream to my computer just a minute, okay? I'll be right back.